Good morning, good evening, and good night. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another video. For today's video, we'll be departing out of Gothenburg Lavater Airport. I don't know how to pronounce it, but yeah, we'll be flying out of Sweden, I believe, and we'll be flying to Helsinki. Estimated time in the air will be about 1 hour 15 minutes and hour 43. Call sign today is Wizz Air 589. And yeah, let's head into the flight deck and let's get the aircraft started up. Alrighty, let's hit the batteries up here. Nice. Navs, crew supply, ground control, IRs, and lovely. Head down here, turn up the lights up. Whoops, that is turning the lights down. Alrighty, just set up the aircraft and let's check how long the boarding is. Start the fueling, and boarding is 15 minutes and 3 seconds. So let's go ahead and start the APU on right there. And as you may see, where's all this movement? Oh yeah, I have a head tracker on. Surprise, surprise. I got a webcam off Amazon. I don't know how. It's so jolty, whatever you call it. It's too sensitive. I don't know how to say it, but trying to test. I've been testing out the settings down here, the mappings for the pitch, yaw and roll. But yeah, let's start up the boarding. Let's get this aircraft all started up. Delivery hello, Wizz Air 589, stand 12, information Papa requesting IFR to Helsinki, please.
Wizz 589, Level Class Delivery, good evening, standby, break, Scandinavian 249er. Wizz 589er, Level Class Delivery, you're clear to destination via the Laban 3 Mike departure, 5,000 feet, squawk 3427.
Clear to Helsinki via Lava 3 Mike departure, initial 5000 squawk 3427, easy 589.
Wizz 589er, Rebecca is correct, contact me on this frequency for pushback and start.
Roger, we'll call you for the push to start on this frequency, Wizz Air 589. Accidentally said, Wizz Air. I just lost so much aura. Oh my gosh, just lost so much aura. What is our off block time? 1955. Alright, we're just gonna put our departure. We're gonna take the Laba 3 mic. And into Helsinki, you'll be taking 4 left. Labuk 9 Bravo. Laku 9 Bravo. We have. Oh well. We're just gonna put the squawk in now. 3. And squawk is in. And I wonder what departure frequency will be, because there's 3 online at the moment. And let's check how many people are on the ground in Helsinki. There's about 12 on the ground. Currently 1 landing into airport, and 11 departures right now. Nice. That'll be fun. Well, we're gonna call ground for push start because apparently there's a better delay down here in the airport, but yeah. Oh my gosh, I didn't even realize. Oh my jeez, we're taking all the seats are full. It's a full flight today. Wow. All right, 4.780. Everybody wants to go to Helsinki today, eh? Yeah, boarding is complete. Our departure out of here is pretty straightforward. We'll just be taking out straight and basically right turn direct to Laban. Alright, we're gonna call ground for a push to start over here. We'll just disconnect the ground power unit. Air starter, jet bridge. Alrighty. Call the tug for push and yeah. Alright, and just start it up mode normal. Take flaps on, spoilers armed, and flight control check. Full down, full up, full right, full left, left rudder, right rudder. Flight control check is complete. I'll go ahead, call ground for taxi. Ground Wizz Air 589 request taxi.
Wizz Air 5. Wizz Air 589 taxi to holding point runway 03 via Hotel, Zulu, Kilo and Yankee.
Taxi to holding point runway 03 via Hotel, Zulu, Kilo and Yankee. Wizz Air 589. Alrighty, let's gotta move on yet. It's so sensitive, this damn thing. Why am I going so slow? Alrighty. I mean, yeah. Oh, don't you love this? This head tracker. Alright, we're coming up on Kilo right here. Yep.
447, contact London to Tower 118.605.
118.605, thank you for the ATC, Scandinavian 447.
Wizz Air 589 hold position.
Hold position Wizz Air 589.
Wizz Air
What?
589 disregard, continue.
Continue taxi Wizz Air 589. What was that?
Wizz Air 589 contact London to Tower 118.605, bye bye.
118.605 Wizz Air 589, bye bye. Tower hello, Wizz Air 589 on Yankee.
Hello, Wizz Air 589, rulla om till Tower. Continue taxi.
Continue taxi Wizz Air 589. Ah, this guy Jolly. Oh yeah, look at that 350. Too bad I have a horrible DC. I'm only be using the head tracker for taxiing, cause it's this is so sensitive.
Wizz Air 589, line up runway 03.
Line up runway is 03, it was there 589. Alrighty, lights on here, we have the flaps on. Flaps 1, auto brakes max, we are ready for departure. We've been sitting here for about...
Wizz 589, wind 340 degrees 1 knot, runway 03, clear for takeoff, no delay.
Clear for takeoff Wizz Air 589.
And land with a tower hello, Scandinavian 87 Tango,
runway
Yankee.
03, cleared for takeoff, no delay. Wizz 589, land at the tower.
Clear for takeoff 03 Wizz Air 589, sorry.
And Delta Echo Whiskey, join East Holding at 1,500
FX
feet.
SRS.
Joining East Holding at 1,500 feet, Delta Echo Whiskey.
During 16 Mike, expect late landing clearance.
Roger. Land with a tower hello, left on black direction, Scandinavian 87 Tango on Yankee, holding point on 03.
Hello, Scandinavian 87 Tango, land at the tower.
A1, rotate. Oh there, buddy. How's the rate of climb gear up?
During 16 Mike, runway 03, clear to land.
It's got 3 cleared land during 165.
Wizz 589, 589er, contact Göteborg approach 124.680.
124.680 is there 589, thank you. Voice crack. Approach hello, Wizz Air 589 passing 3,500 for 5,000.
Wizz Air 589er, Göteborg approach, hello, identified. Climb flight level 150.
Climb flight level 150, Wizz Air 589. Flaps up here, spoilers disarm, turn the altimeter, stand back, or whatever that is. Don't even know. Taking the 11-3 mic departure, 11 transition. Coming up to 15,000 here. We're basically just heading direct to Laban. And then we'll be shortly at flight level 390. So yeah, I'll see you guys when they hand us over, and then I'll see you guys at cruising altitude.
Wizz Air 589er, sorry for the late handoff here, but no ATC ahead. Frequency change approved. Have a safe flight. Advisory 122.8.
Over to advisory 122.8 was there 589. Have a good night.
You too.
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we have reached our cruising altitude for today. Up in the air at 39,000 feet. We'll turn seatbelt signs off here. Our top of descent is in about 20 minutes or so. So, yeah. In Helsinki, approach got offline, but they're still towering ground. Let's check the charts down into Helsinki. We will be taking the Lakut 9 Bravo arrival. First climb down is at 10,000 feet, I believe. Yeah, 10,000 feet, max speed 250 knots. And then at Nemvi will be at 2,300 at 220 knots. And we'll be taking a left turn to runway 04 left. And airport's pretty big. Hopefully I don't mess up any calls from ground. This airport's pretty big. I haven't flown in a big airport yet, so this will probably be first one, or I don't know. But yeah, I'll see you guys once we're at like 10,000 feet. Alrighty guys, so we're down at 10,000 feet. We're gonna descend down to 2,300. There's this aircraft right in front of me. He's less than like, okay, yeah, you slow down here. It's a little too close. Yeah, he is too close. That's less than 3 miles now. Yeah, he's too close. Really, really too close. Try to put the speed down here. Put the spoilers. Put the spoilers up. This guy's too close for comfort. Anyways, at 10,000 feet, the seatbelt signs on. And tell the cabin prepare for landing. Cabin crew, seats for landing, please. Thank you. Alrighty, we're gonna turn the lights on over here. There's a traffic right there. Keep turning left here. Helsinki traffic was there 589 for the islets 04 left. Out traffic. Alrighty, we're gonna put the speed down. I'll go flap 2 here. Gear down. Lovely, lovely, lovely. What are these winds? I don't know, bro. I keep letting it to dim. I don't know, bro. 18 knot winds. Are we serious? I'll continue. Helsinki traffic was there 589 established for left 10 miles out traffic. Alrighty, the glide slope should be coming up soon. Look at this intense crab. 39 knots, insane. But the glide slope is coming up. Intercept that in a bit. Alrighty, glide slope. And glide slope is captured. Go flaps full now. This guy has gotta vacate.
Helsinki traffic, Finnair 918, vacated 04 left.
Helsinki traffic was there 589, 5 mile final 04 left. It's traffic. Everything is set. Yeah, we should be good now. Hopefully we butter this. Praying we do. Cause 18 knot surfing winds. Okay. Beautiful Helsinki, eh? First time landing or arriving in this airport. Bro. Oh, aircraft's mine.
300. 100 above. 200. 100.
Oh my gosh.
50. 40. 30. 20. Retard. 5.
Decent. Not bad, not too shabby. That's his gauge. I forgot to say reverse green, but whatever.
Auto brake off.
Good landing. It wasn't bad. Alrighty. Spoilers. It's armed. AP on here. Helsinki traffic was there 589, vacated off runway 04 left. Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Helsinki. Let's check here. Yeah, total airtime was 1 hour and 19 minutes. Block time 1 hour 52 minutes. Yeah, we're late by 9 minutes with the block time, and late by 4 minutes with airtime. It was due to some busy traffic down at our departure airport. I don't even know how to say it. At Landvetter, Gothenburg, Sweden. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.